Dear students, good morning. In our previous session, we have seen about the functional structure of mouth and esophagus. The food is mixed with saliva. To make it wet and slippery, it is called bolus. The bolus passes through pharynx to esophagus by peristalsis movement into the stomach. Now let us look at the features of stomach. Our stomach is not like a bag with specific volume. It is like a pouch which is elastic in nature. The stomach is J-shaped organ. The upper part is called cardiac stomach and the lower part is called pyloric stomach. The inner side of the stomach, it contains thick mucus. When glucose levels in the blood falls, we get hunger pangs in the stomach. Hunger pangs are nothing but hunger generating signals that reach the brain from stomach due to secretion of hormone called ghrelin. Then ghrelin hormone is secreted from the cells of the stomach wall. Then hunger contraction starts in the stomach. Hunger pangs continue up to 30 to 45 minutes. The increase of ghrelin levels that results in sensation of hunger and motivate of consume food. Your stomach is full. There is no need of food anymore. Another hormone leptin is secreted that suppress the hunger. Our stomach wall produced hormones as well as the enzymes. What's the difference between the enzymes and hormones? Hormones are triggers. There are chemical substances that add the messenger molecules into the body. They help and control how the cells and organs do their work. Enzymes, it is produced by a living organisms which act as a catalyst to bring about a specific biological reaction. When the food is in the oral cavity, the nerves in the cheek and tongue are stimulated. These carry messages in the form of a nerve impulse to the brain. These messages are transmitted from the brain to the walls of the stomach and stimulate the gastric gland to produce gastric juice. These gastric juice contain HCl and pepsin enzyme. Most of us may have experienced belching and burning sensation. It is caused by HCl. Hydrochloric acid, which is secreted in the stomach walls, it produced an acidic medium for the process of digestion. At the same time, pepsin enzyme, it helps the digestion of proteins. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. It can digest the hard bones as well as. Hydrochloric acid splits into H plus Cl minus in the stomach. Chlorine kills the bacteria that enter the stomach through the food. Hydrogen is a lightweight gas that try to escape out of the body. Sometimes it causes chest pain and headache. Mucus, it is a thick lined walls of the stomach. It protects the layer of the stomach's wall. So by that the walls are not damaged the HCl. So sometimes mucus layers are degenerated or spoiled. Then we feel some burning sensation in the stomach. It may lead to some kind of lesions in the stomach which are called as a ulcer. The contraction of the stomach muscles squeezed and mixed with food, acid and gastric juice of the stomach. Due to this, churning the bowels become a smooth pour into the consistency called chyme. It is a partially digested food. Some large protein molecules also break down here. The food stay in the stomach 2.5 to 3 hours. As the process of digestion in the stomach nears completion, the contraction of the stomach decreases. This prompts the opening of the pyloric sphincter and open the pathway into the duodenum or the first part of the small intestine, releases partially digested food chyme in small quantity in duodenum. Pyloric sphincter is a muscular part present at the opening of the stomach and duodenum. If we have seen ruminants like cow and buffalo, etc., that have an extra pouch in stomach to store quickly swallowed food. The process of reverse peristalsis, the food is brought back into the mouth, is once again chewed and mixed with saliva leisurely. This process is called rumination. Sometimes we either feel sick or have indigestion. Vomiting is the body method of ridding itself of unwanted or harmful substance through esophagus from the stomach. By the process of reverse peristalsis movement, their normal direction and the food is expelled. Some forward movement of the food by the peristalsis waves called propulsion. The backward movements of the food by the peristalsis waves called retropulsion. Carbohydrates digestion that starts in the mouth and didn't occur in the stomach. There is no any enzyme for the digestion of carbohydrates. Only the proteins convert into peptones. Have you understood? Thank you.